Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to add the custom drop-down values in Quill Editor in Angular 19 version. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see, here's my Angular and I have implement the Quill editor with custom drop downs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All or have two values sequence and see. Hi guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. But friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, guys, you can contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID and my WhatsApp number as well. Also, guys, I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis for your project as well. And guys, also in next video, I will show how to show this value here and on change event as well. So friends, in the end, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me. I guess also my blog you get multiple free things for Angular, React, Vue, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap 5 and thousands of admin dashboard templates, and all are free of course. So guys, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.